Okay, so this is the left entrance to the backyard. Coming in, not really any trees or anything that you have to deal with. So this is the main part of the backyard. This one's quite large. Another small tree in the middle. And then there's a really big tree next to our shed with a lot of branches coming out. Small tree right here. And then another one coming up. And I have another big tree coming up, pretty tall compared to the shed. And then another considerably tall tree compared to the previous one. It's really hard to get all in. And I have a couple of trees right here next to our other shed, about the same height as the previous two, maybe a little smaller. This one kind of goes up to the same height. Then this one coming over to our neighbor's yard a bit and over the house. The tree in front of the door kind of comes up over the shed and the house as well. And then the last tree that I have back here is this one. Coming over to the neighbor's yard a bit and going into this tree.